Bruh, that hook kick. That was awesome, but your hook kick is a little uncoordinated. Dude, what the heck is that hook kick? Seriously needs to be improved. Let's work on your kicks. Good corks, but can't hook for shit. Yes, my hook kick was absolutely trash in that video, but I think fixed it up a bit. And I thought I should share the tips that helped me get it better. I don't remember how I did my hook kick. It was just like, nah, that was too good as well. Anyways, so now this is my hook kick, still a work in progress. Go again. Yeah, they're alright now. I wouldn't say they're the best either. I just can't get the height. Hips just don't allow it. I just try to make them look as powerful as possible so they look good. It's a bit better. This sort of hook kick is when you step over, spot. I didn't do this before, I didn't spot. So you go step, spot, chamber, hook, step, hook, chamber, hook. Yeah, just been practicing these a ton. Other thing was cheat 7. Yeah, cheat 7. There's a video of me doing it here, so I'm just gonna do one. It's definitely one of those day things. Like one day it's good, some days it's bad. Hopefully it's a good day today. Ah. There we go. A bit better. Gotta point my toes. So a good tip for cheat 7 is, once you jump, your arms up here, bring them in as quickly as possible so you can rotate faster. Some videos, side-by-side videos of my old ones where the arms were just all over the place. Really slows down the rotation. So now I go use the arms to get the height. As soon as I get the height in, and I try to keep them in. This right hand always comes out a little bit for some reason. Oh, for the hook kick as well. Team there. You want to drive the shoulder the opposite way of the hook. It gives you a bit of control because you can just do this. You just go, pull your body across, so if you give it a little pull with the shoulder, much more control. I'm just going to touch on jackknives quickly. Jackknives are such a hit and miss for me. Some are like pretty good, and the rest are just absolute trash. I think I've done a few really good ones, but didn't catch them on camera. It's one of those things where you mark around and just throw something good. You're like, oh, 3 primary drills I'm using at the moment. One is a tsunami, which is pretty much a jackknife without the cheat step. Oh, straight away. Then there's a narrowbone. It's a jackknife with a step in the middle. So it's just round, hook, oh my God. Round, hook. And the third one is cheat 7, obviously. There you go. Oh, so low. Nah, not happening today. So like for the cheat 7s, yeah, I wasn't good in this video, but some days I do like 10, one of them will be good. Whereas before, if I do like 50, only one will be good. That's progress, even though it's not good every single time, as long as it's getting more consistent. Thank you for watching. Talking shit about my hook kicks. Suggest to me what I should learn next. I'm working on a few things, just haven't got them solid enough for me to post a video about them. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.